Okay, so I'm back on the Norton trailer again. Had a few days doing other things and I've come back to do this. So we painted the inside with undercoat a while ago, and I'm going to have to keep doing this in stages because no way I'm going to get the time to do it all in one hit. But basically today I'm just doing the outside. Hopefully you're going to wire brush that off. Don't know whether I'll get time to do any painting on it, we'll just have to see. But I'll just show you what we've done so far. So there we go, there's the interior with primer. Quite pleased about that. All looking nice and tidy. Now what I've got to do now today is carry on the outside. I've got my electric sanding brush there, or electric wire brush, and I'm basically going to go around the outside of here. Still got its blue paint on it. I think it was blue, it was green paint. Yeah, gonna wire brush that off. But I'm hoping while I do it, I'm going to keep the stickers on, because even though they're worn, I quite like the idea. It's still got a bit of identity of what it used to be. I might be able to clean that up a little bit. It's sort of got a rust mark on the Norton sticker, but that might come off with a bit of rubbing or something. Because they were made local, only down the road from here, so quite nice to have a local trailer. I've also going to deal with these holes here. Now you might remember Cecil welded up the outside, but it had rusted, sorry, the inside, but it rusted through here. So what I've got to do is I've got some car body filler, which I'm going to fill these holes before I paint it. It's just a little fiddly thing. I could just leave that, but it's the same here. Look, I just like cosmetically to fill these. Then I can paint over the whole lot, and it'll look all right, or look all right to me. So that's the plan today, maybe just to get this sanded down. And I've got to go all the way around. It's quite a big area to wire brush. Got to do the back as well. So quite a big area to do really. And I'm going to make a start on it now. In the meantime, these guys are checking me out. Hello girls. Right, so let's get going. Okay, let's get going on the old driller killer. Might speed this up a little bit. Let's have a look how we go. And that's it, one side done. Let's have a look at how we're doing. Okay, so that's sanded off quite well. It's a lot smoother now. There's still a few bits that aren't perfect, but I might just touch those up with a hand wire brush. You can see the undercoat. I think it must be an undercoat of red with a green top, unless someone's painted it since, but I would have thought that's probably just the undercoat. And then coming along, I did actually sand off, or wire brush off the signs a bit, and they've come up a little bit better. That one scraped it a little bit. It's a 5S model, whatever that means. But yeah, I think those stickers will survive. I'm just going to make sure I don't get too much paint on them. So, I have got to do this bit. I'm not going to video that. Let's have a recap when I've done the whole lot, okay? We're finished. Okay, so it's turning into a bit of a horrible day now. I've just finished doing all that round, but there's no way I'm going to get any paint on it now. It's too wet. Let's have a quick look at what I've done. So this is a side I've videoed and speeded up a little bit. You can see the rake drops on the lens bit. So this bit sanded down okay. Some big meaty holes there, a bit jagged edges. It's come up really quite well this side. And the Norton signers, I've got the most of the dirt off it. I think I can just leave it like that. Plenty of red paint to show through on this side, where the brush has got in a bit deeper. And then there's a little bit of a hole there. That's nothing to worry about. Just shows the metal's getting a bit thin in places. But that's only a corner of a cross member. I might put a bit of filler in there if I got some left. Anyway, and the back door, which I painted the inside of the other day. So there we go. What's left to do now is painting the outside and the filler. But underneath, obviously I've got to do this at some point. I'm not sure when I'm going to do this. I'll do something with it. Whether I do it this year or not, I might just concentrate on getting the top bit done, because that's the bit I'm going to need to get used. Obviously this needs doing though. All depends how much time I get left.